Now you can pause this video at any time to read these prompts, but this is the prompt I'll use to get going. If I were you, my AI is already trained on RB Agent and RankBridge. So I would start off by saying I am doing a RankBridge and RB Agent project, and that gets into the AI's memory, exactly what you're doing, and it will be able to use that information to help you as you progress. So we're going after the term best shipyard in Monaco, and the result we're going to appear in the AI overview as the answer is Opulent Shipyard Monaco. So that's our brand. To get started, we need to build dedicated accounts online for our new Opulent Shipyard Monaco brand that we are creating. I've already registered the domain. I've just created a new account creation service. That's where you would register and where you're watching this video. So I'll be using this new service to create all the accounts we need. To do this, I need images. Research this website to see the requirements. Beautiful. So it's just reiterating everything I've said. And because it read the website, it knows the sizes of the images to create. So it's just asking what type of images, and I go 100% opulent luxury angle, and it must have the text Opulent Shipyard Monaco in the graphics. And so it spat out the prompts. Profile picture, perfect. The prompt, and this is what it came up with. So I'll just do that one again. So I'll do this one, and I'll show you how to create it. You go to ideogram, paste your prompt in there. What was the 800 by 800? So then I go to custom, 800, 800, save, and enter. And it makes this insane great quality. Look at that. It came up with OSM itself. I love OSM. That is opulent. These are amazing images, and you can see the different sizes that we require. That's stunning. Very, very cool. So then I create a folder for each size, so I know when I upload these images to the form, I know which ones to send to that form. And as you can see, these are the images. They're beautiful. And then after you've paid and you're on the inside, I just screen capped the additional information that I need, and then it read that. I gave it the URL, and here is the short description, the long description, 500, 800 words, bio text. Now you just copy and paste this directly into the form, and you are done. And then in 2, 3, 4 days, what you will get back is a spreadsheet, but all the accounts here were created in the Gmail. So the Gmail was created first, and that was used to create all of these. Also, I'm pretty sure the Cloudflare account will be already set up with your username, so you can just pop that into RuCode and build a site out straight away. All these accounts will come back with all that data, all of this, plus your images already in place, so you're 100% ready to go. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to complete this form. Very simple. Account name. In this case, the account name is the name of the brand, which is Opulent Shipyard Monaco. Email address, done. Now the account username is for the main term we want to rank for, which is best shipyard in Monaco. Now profile picture, 800 by 800. I like that one. 1540 by 423. No, sorry. 2560 by 144. That one. 150 by 150. Go with that one. 1280, 720. Generally speaking, I like to get ones with the text in the center, like this one. tall ones, so that looks cool. Now, short descriptions. So this is what I created in ChatGPT and I copied to my text file. So this is the short description here. Paste that there. Long description. Bio text. And the web address. And that is it. I click on send. Do not leave this browser, wait for it to complete, and that will go straight to our team. Obviously, the time it takes to send it is relative to how large these image files are. Email was sent. Beautiful. So that is done.